Hello dear students, I am Lakhvendra Singh. You are watching Basic Science. Today we will discuss a new chapter of chemistry, and first chapter of chemistry, chemical reaction and equation. This is the first chapter of the 10th class. So first topic, chemical changes, chemical reactions, reactant, product, chemical of reactions, changes in color, change in order, change in temperature, physical state, formation of gas and formation of precipitate. After that we will discuss chemical features of these chemical reactions. After that, first of all we will discuss first topic, chemical changes. Those permanent changes in which new substance are formed with new chemical properties. Listen to me, कि those permanent change in which new substance are formed. New substance are formed, for example, if we have a milk, it will convert into curd. So milk has different properties and curd has different properties. When one substance is converted into another substance with new chemical properties, is called a chemical change. If reactant will convert into product but product will not convert into reactant, then this is called chemical change. After that, second example, second definition, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, those process in which one or more substances are transformed into new substances is called chemical reaction. For example, we have magnesium color, we have magnesium ribbon. If we burn with the help of oxygen, then it will convert into magnesium oxide and heat will be produced also. So this is called a chemical reaction. In our daily life we can see so many examples. First of all, you can take rusting of iron, ripening of fruit, ripening of fruits, and burning of fuel. These are the three most important examples which are used in our daily life. So these are called chemical reactions. So after that, next topic, reactant and product. If we have a one substance, suppose A is converted into V. A is the reactant. It will convert into product. On the upper side, so milk is a reactant. It will convert into product. So in the definition we can say that definition of reactant, you can note down on your notebooks. A substance which take part in chemical reaction is called reactant, is called reactant. So on the other side, product, a chemical substance, or simple we can say that a substance which is formed, a substance which is formed during chemical reaction, during chemical reaction is called product, is called product. So in simple language we can say that what is the reactant and what is product. So definition of reactant you can note down, a substance which take part in chemical reaction is called chemical reaction, is called reactant. A substance which take part in chemical reaction is called reactant. On the other hand, definition of product, a substance which is formed during the chemical reaction is called product. If a reactant is converted into product, but product will not convert into reactant, then this is called chemical change. This is called chemical change, chemical change or chemical reaction. If it will convert, if A will convert into B and B is converted into A, this is called physical change. This is called physical change. For example, if we have a ice, it convert into water after keeping the refrigerator, and water also will convert into ice. So this is called physical change, not a chemical reaction, not a chemical change. So you can take screenshot or you can write down in your notebooks also. After that we will discuss feature of chemical reaction, feature of chemical reaction. हाँ जी बेटा जी, clear? First of all we will give the quick revision. Chemical change. What is chemical change? Those permanent substance in which new substance are formed. Permanent change वो change है in which new substance are formed, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ, new substance ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ, form ਹੋਣਗੇ with new chemical properties, ਉਹਦੀਆਂ chemical properties ਵੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, new ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ. Milk is converted into product, product ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, milk is converted into curd. So milk is a reactant है and curd is a product है. So next definition of chemical reaction, those process in which one or more substance, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ substance ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਕਾਹ 'ਚ convert ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, transform into new substance, new substance convert ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, then it is called chemical reaction. If we can take example magnesium ribbon, if we burn with the help of oxygen, it will convert magnesium oxide and heat will be produced. So chemical reaction, example of chemical reactions, rusting of iron, ripening of fruit and burning of fuel. These are the simple example which we can check in our daily life. So next, reactant and product. When A is converted into V, reactant A is converted into product V. What is reactant? First of all, you should know the definition of reactant. A substance which take part in chemical reaction is called reactant. On the other hand, a substance which is formed, जो substance form हुए है, जो substance की हुए हैं, बने हैं during the chemical reaction is called product. So now we will discuss it is feature of chemical reaction. After the definition of reactant and product, now we will discuss feature of chemical reaction. So during the chemical reaction we can check 6 important features of chemical reactions, which are most important. Change in color. During the chemical reaction color will be change. किसी भी chemical reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ some substance can convert into another substance and their color also may be change. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ chemical reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ substance ਦਾ color ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਰਾਜੇ ਉਹ change ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. For example, if we keep iron nail into copper sulfate solution, so what will happen? Iron is a more reactive than copper, so iron will displace the copper. So iron will take place of copper, it will form FeSO4 and copper will be outside. It means ki hai, what will happen here? Color of the copper sulfate ki hai beta ji blue, and here iron sulfate the color ki hoega greenish. So in this reaction color is change from blue to green, color is change from blue to greenish. So you can take example when change in color, here color of the copper sulfate blue, it will convert into greenish color. Elements and substance, iron react with copper sulfate, iron displace the copper and take place space of copper, the copper is removed, so color is change. In the next reaction, change in order. When sulfuric acid H2SO4 react with iron sulfide, then it will give rotten egg smell. It give rotten egg smell of hydrogen sulfide, So we can say that in chemical reactions order may be change of any chemical reactions. Next point number 3rd, change in temperature. In all the chemical reactions, in all the chemical reactions, heat will be released or heat will be absorbed. If so, on the basis of temperature we can say that reactions are 2 types: exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction, in which heat is released, is called exothermic reaction. So meaning of exo is out, thermic means heat, in which heat is given out, released, is called exothermic reaction. So we can take example of exothermic reaction. When carbon react with oxygen, it will convert into carbon dioxide and heat will be produced also. So if we take calcium hydroxide, it will dissolve into water, then it will convert into calcium hydroxide and heat will be produced. So it is common name is quicklime, water. This is called calcium hydroxide, is called common name slaked lime, and heat is produced. It is chemical name calcium hydroxide will be formed and heat will be released. In this reaction heat will be released. When heat will be released, then this reaction is called exothermic reaction. This reaction is called, this type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. These are those reaction in which heat is released. If heat will be released and mixture will be hot and container will be also hot. So in endothermic reaction, endo means in, inside, thermic means heat. These are those chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed are called endothermic reaction, called endothermic reaction. For example, we can take example of endothermic reaction, ammonium hydroxide, which when it is dissolved with sodium chloride, ammonium chloride react with sodium hydroxide, then what will happen here? It absorb heat, heat ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਇਹ absorb ਕਰੇਗਾ. what will happen? sodium hydroxide, ammonium chloride. So here in this reaction heat will be absorbed and this reaction is called endothermic reaction. This reaction is called endothermic reaction. So repeat again, change in color. Some chemical reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, ਕਲਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਾਪਰ ਸਲਫੇਟ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਕਲਰ ਬਲੂ ਹੋਏਗਾ. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਇਰਨ ਨੇਲਸ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਇਰਨ ਦਾ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਕਾਪਰ ਸਲਫੇਟ ਦੇ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਾਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਆਇਰਨ ਸਲਫੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਇਸ ਦਾ ਕਲਰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਗ੍ਰੀਨਿਸ਼ ਕਲਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. ਕਾਪਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਰਿਮੂਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. ਸੈਕੰਡ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਚੇਂਜ ਇਨ ਆਰਡਰ. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਹੈਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਇਰਨ ਸਲਫਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਆਇਰਨ ਸਲਫਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਪਰ ਸਲਫੇਟ, ਜੋ ਆਇਰਨ ਸਲਫਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਲਫਿਊਰਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰੋਟਨ ਐਗ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਸਮੈਲ ਆਏਗੀ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸਮੈਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈ ਚੇਂਜ ਇਨ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ. temperature on the basis of temperatures reaction will be exothermic or endothermic. If reaction will release the heat, it means reaction will be exothermic. In which heat is absorbed, जिस reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ heat ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, absorb ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ, endothermic reaction ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ. next you can take screenshot of this topic. So next point, change in physical state. Change in physical state means if we have hydrogen gas and react with oxygen, both are gaseous form, both are gases, they will convert into water, then water is a liquid, water is a liquid. So in this state here both are gaseous and here they convert into liquid. Now state is change from गैस टू की बन गया बेटा जी, ये लिक्विड फॉर्म ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. सो वी कैन से दैट इन कैमिकल रिएक्शंस स्टेट मे बी चेंज. किसी भी सबस्टांस की हो सकती है स्टेट बेटा जी चेंज हो सकती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैस. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैस, इट मीन्स ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੈਸ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਇਵੋਲਵ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਗੈਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਾਸ ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ, ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਲਫਿਊਰਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਦਈਏ, ਸਲਫਿਊਰਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਮੋਰ ਰਿਐਕਟਿਵ, ਇਟ ਰਿਪਲੇਸ the hydrogen gas. So here zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be released, hydrogen gas will be released. So in some chemical reactions gases also produce, gases also produce. So in last point, formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate means, so we can take example of some precipitate. Barium chloride react with sodium hydroxide, barium chloride react with sodium hydroxide. So what will happen here, positive negative positive negative. So we can take sodium sulfate also, sodium sulfate. This reaction will be simple reaction. So we can say that barium sulfate and sodium chloride balance करके NaCl. So here what will happen, precipitate will be formed of barium sulfate. So in this topic we can say that कि होएगा बेटा जी कि precipitate will be formed of barium sulfate. So chemical reaction and chemical equations today's topic ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। chemical change, chemical reactions, reactant and product, feature of chemical reaction. features ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, change in color, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਲਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਚੇਂਜ ਇਨ ਆਰਡਰ, ਆਰਡਰ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਸਮੈਲ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਆਰਡਰ। ਚੇਂਜ ਇਨ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ either heat will be absorbed or heat will be released. If heat is released then reaction will be exothermic, if heat is absorbed then reaction will be endothermic reaction. So ammonium chloride ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ example ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। There are so many example. Change in temperature, exothermic and endothermic, done. Next, change in physical state, which we have taken one example. Hydrogen gas when react with oxygen gas, then they convert into water. Water is a liquid, while both hydrogen and oxygen are gases in this state. So state is change. So next, formation of gas when zinc granules is added into sulfuric acid, then hydrogen gas will be produced, hydrogen gas will be produced. So chemical reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੈਸ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਲਾਸਟ, ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੈਸੀਪਿਟੇਟ, there are so many example of precipitation. Precipitation ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, when they are taken into the test tube, when they are taken into the test tube. So precipitate means pept means के hard material, hard material means card like material is formed, card like material is formed, is called precipitate, is called precipitate. So today's topic is completed. So if you want to make notes, then you can make notes. So thanks, have a nice day.